Great idea, bad implementation, software can't see the hardware, it sucks. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have the Fingerbot SwitchBot gateway combo that I purchased for mechanical devices that are not smart on your home network or your smart home. And this video is to tell you to stay clear of this absolute garbage. The concept is unique and incredibly smart. However, it doesn't work for shit. The only device that was able to communicate with my cell phone via Bluetooth is the SwitchBot. This I can remotely turn on and off. However, it's only good in about a 25-foot range or less because it's Bluetooth. So you needed to have this smart wireless gateway set up. But the software can't even see the gateway. So this allows you to be able to communicate to your Bluetooth devices in the house through this. So this connects to your wireless, and then this is kind of a gateway between wireless and Bluetooth. So this goes to your wireless device where you can connect and control outside your home. Then it transmits via Bluetooth to the devices that you have within the range of this device. So this is why it's called a gateway. However, the software can't see this for shit. So I can't even set this up. So it's so stupid. So the only device that I was able to set up was this SwitchBot. Okay? And that's directly to the phone. Because I can't get this fucking thing to work. It's only local. And this thing can't even be seen by the software. And what's really, really terrible is that you can't even add the shit manually. It has to be detected. This is not even listed in the devices to add. Neither of the devices are. Neither is the gateway. So this whole process here to install this hardware sucks fucking ass. Stay clear of this garbage. It sucks balls. I'm pissed off because it was a great concept. The thought process behind it was absolutely genius. Absolutely genius. Say you have an air conditioner, okay? You have an air conditioner. That's not intelligent, but you got to be able to turn it on and off manually. You have to physically be there. This little device here would have made that little gateway of that whole process work because it's a mechanical switch. Clever. Clever. It would have worked perfect. I would have put it right on my air conditioner, would have pressed the button. Well, mechanically, you know, through the software, if I want to turn the air conditioner on, I can turn it on remotely. This little leg or little button pusher is too long. They make an accessory pack, shorter devices, longer devices, certain things you want to do. This is too long. But the concept there would have been absolutely perfect if they implemented it properly. The software can't see the hardware. So this video, unlike the USB shaver video, I'm giving this product an epic fucking fail. It sucks balls. Do not buy it. And I'm pretty pissed off because now I got to return all this shit to Amazon. I will have a link in the description below if you wanted to buy this shit. But I don't recommend it because it doesn't work for shit. It doesn't work. It's a garbage product. Great idea, bad implementation. Software can't see the hardware. It sucks. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care and we'll see you next time.